Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can insert a code into your boards and diagrams on Whimsical. So let us dive into this. Start by heading over to your board inside your Whimsical workspace and then place a new text box by using the text tool here from the diagram mode. Position your text and then before you start typing, click into the text box, select these three dots here, formatting options, and use code. You may use the shortcut Shift Control K, and then let me just do it again here, so make sure that the check mark is enabled, and then start typing your code. Of course you can also use these brackets like this one and then enter your code. I don't know which coding language you're using, JavaScript, or type in your code here and close it with a bracket like this. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.